back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video we have a look on Filecoin. What's the price change occur, what's the high price of Filecoin in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Filecoin. In this video I'm going to show you with a live proof. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please click the subscribe button for my support. And my subscribe is very important for all of you, because you get every new video and every new update notification of every cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, first of all we look the price prediction of the Filecoin in the previous 2 hours. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of Filecoin in the previous last 2 hours. As you can see here, first of all we look the chart analysis of Filecoin. As you can see here, they take a small jump, falls down, take a small jump. The continuously procedure starts from the start of day, and this process is continuous from the previous last 12 hours. This process is continuous, take a small jump, and after a small jump they again falls down. So friends, if we see the average level change is, average level change is negative 1.38% change occur in the Filecoin in the previous last 2 hours. And the high price of Filecoin is about $180. $180.11 is the high price of Filecoin. Absolutely good amount and absolute high amount of the Filecoin price at this time currently, because they are falling down. So my suggestion for all of you to hold Filecoin with the last of this month and sell Filecoin with the last of April. My suggestion for all of Filecoin holders, that's clear. Sell it with the last of April, 28 April, sell it Filecoin. And the Filecoin make you a millionaire and the last soon moment. But don't sell it at this time. It is a falling period of every cryptocurrencies. As you know that it is the starting of April, that is why every cryptocurrencies falls down. Now let's see the price prediction of previous last 1 hour of Filecoin. As you can see now on the screen, the chart tells us that they continuously fall down. That is why I say to you that it's time to hold Filecoin. In the future they become take a high jump. In the future, after 5th April they start jumping upward. So my suggestion for all our Filecoin holders, please hold it. That's only my suggestion. I'm not ordering you. As you can see here, the change is at negative 1.97% change. Okay, absolutely bad change, but don't say it. Hold Filecoin. That's my advice for all our Filecoin holders. As you can see here, the price is falls down in the previous last 1 hour, but don't worry, soon they are again jumping upward. The price is current is about $178.81 is the current price of Filecoin. Don't be afraid, don't be fear from this falling. Soon they are start jumping upward, so don't afraid by this falling. As you can see here, that is a live price prediction of last 1 hour, 2 hour. You are watching now on Abby's Tech channel. If you want this type of more news and updates, so please don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of videos.